So this is the Karcher Premium Smart Control model K7. Let's see what's inside. A couple of instruction units and how-to guide. What this comes with is a patio brush, this thing here, this little unit there, and also the 3-in-1. So let's have a quick look what we got here. So this is the patio cleaner. You've got two options here to go to hard setting or soft setting up there, so you can change the variability on how much pressure you apply on this. And then also what you have, these 2 points will vary the spray, whether you want it in the center or on the front of the nozzle there. So by pressing down with your foot, that would activate the front nozzle, and then you have the other one for the main. Okay, so we now have the extensions. So that's that one, and then the main jet wash. So this one has the variability, so 3-in-1. So as you'll see here, down at the nozzle, you have 3. So you got the variable one, you have a foam one, and also a flat one. So these are the options you have on the bar. So when you twist, it will activate, as you can hear with the click, one of those. And then you have the power setting as well from the actual handle, so which we'll look at in a bit. Okay, so that's those 2 items. So inside the foam you also have the connector. So this will make the connection to the hose. Further inside, this is the handle. You can control it via the app, Bluetooth connected. And you can change and adjust the power setting through the handle, which we'll look at later on. Locking feature. So push that out, locks there. You could do that. That's to release the power, the pressure connector. Now we have the unit. This actually is very heavy. The entire box is about 26 kilos. Let's put that down. And what else do we have inside? We have a detergent. So this comes with the kit. This is quite neat because you can actually load this through the top. Just press down and that would give it some detergent. You have to take this top off. So we're going to make the connection with this. That's the filter inside here. So we're going to make sure, just leave that in there. Make the connection here. Tighten that up. This hose, feed that through. So attach that onto the end of the controller. Make sure it clicks in. Here. Okay, and then the handle, you have to make sure it engages itself, otherwise it will just drop. So that would be too loose, so making sure pull it up so it stays in place. $10-meter flex, and then this has been pre-assembled. I've just put that in initially, the mesh to keep all your flex and cables inside. Nice big wheels, so it's actually easy to maneuver. So it's good because this thing weighs quite a lot. Okay, to store it, goes in, go on the smaller side of things, and then just push it in and push it down. And it's a neat little storage compartment at the bottom. So just down here, and just put that in, and away you go. And then you have your controls. And then to tighten up all the flex and hose, you've got a nice little knob here, and you can just tighten all of that up. The further you tighten it, it does get trapped in these little grooves here, so it stops this rope unwinding itself. It's quite handy. So the more you tighten this up, it just position itself in here. There we go. And now it doesn't come apart so easily.